Hey everybody, my name is Felipe Crook from Realty One Group United here in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of Larchmont Village. Now this is a charming historic neighborhood right in the Hancock Park area. This is in a HPOZ, which is an historic preservation overlay zone. So anything that you want to do to the exterior of these homes has to be approved by a committee that is trying to maintain the integrity and the historic nature of these properties. One of the single family homes that we're going to take a look at is a modern, newer construction home, and that was built before the HPOZ was in place. So if you're looking for a modern home in Larchmont, this is the one for you. Also, if you have any questions regarding any of the properties in Larchmont, please give me a call at 213-340-5352. Let's go take a look.